Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Unlock the iPhone and go straight to Settings, then Display and Brightness so you can act. First, turn off Auto Brightness and Night Shift to stop automatic changes. This gives you a stable baseline. Next, glance at the Control Center Brightness slider and toggle True Tone off if colors shift. Doing this ensures your manual adjustments match what you see. Once done, you'll have direct control and can proceed to more specific corrections without automatic overrides. Now you'll refine brightness and color. Pull down Control Center and move the slider while testing in both bright and dim rooms so you know the range works. Toggle True Tone and Night Shift on and off to compare warmth and color. This explains why the screen appears different under various lights. If the display still feels harsh, check Display Zoom and Accessibility. Reduce white point to soften intensity. Make incremental changes and observe. Small steps prevent overshooting and keep text readable and colors accurate. Finish by restarting your iPhone so the new brightness behavior fully applies. Simple reboots often fix glitches. If problems continue, update iOS and reset display-related settings in general to remove corrupt profiles or temporary faults. Make sure to test in safe mode or after a reset to determine if it's software. If the screen still behaves oddly, you may have a hardware issue. Contact Apple support or visit an authorized service. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart first because that resolves most transient brightness problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.